Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix App Store not downloading any apps. So guys, if you want to download any kind of app from App Store in your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue that app is not installed, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to open your App Store, click here and click on your profile and wait for opening, and after this you need to scroll down and here is the option of sign out. So first of all you need to click on sign out and sign in again in your iPhone or iPad, and after doing this you need to go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So if still having this problem, then you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general and click on software update, and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. So if your iPhone is not updated, here you can see my iPhone is not updated. So first of all you need to update it, and after doing update you need to go back and scroll it down. Here is the option of date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically, and after doing this go back, scroll it down, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone. And after doing this you need to go back, scroll it down, and here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset and click on reset all settings, and here you need to put passcode of your iPhone or iPad, and after doing reset settings your problem will be fixed. So go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So still having this problem, then you need to open your settings, click on your Apple ID, scroll it down, and here is the option of sign out. So first of all you need to sign out your Apple ID, and after sign out you need to sign in again in your iPhone, and after doing this step your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any kind of app from App Store. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.